For anyone considering working with Do Hard Money, I would give a 2 thumbs up. So they have team members who will stay in contact with you throughout the process to keep you on task. Anytime I've had a question, they're just an email or a phone call away. I got into real estate about 15 years ago, bought a property, held it for a year, and then sold it for a good amount, more than what I paid for it. My background is in this industry for the most part. For a living, I am an interior designer. I focus on kitchens and bathroom remodels. On this property, the rehab that I'm planning is just short of a total gut. Redo bathrooms and the kitchen here, as well as all new windows and some roofing. The living room, it was a total gut. So we needed new electrical front to back. Also, the walls needed to be built out. Old brick needed to be covered with drywall. This is my first deal that I've done with Do Hard Money, and I do plan to use them again in the future. I like the back office support and the personnel that I've been dealing with as far as managing this. Help me stay on task and help me keep my dreams manageable, so to speak, to make sure you're not overzealous in getting a property that's a bad buy. Do Hard Money has helped me achieve my real estate investing goals by giving me a source that I can go to for projects larger than what I can do out of my own pocket or with a few partners around. Having them and their finances at my disposal, so to speak, has been really good. On this property, I had to bring $14,000 to close. See, when I got started, I was afraid of how much money I would have had to put up and what the risks are in making that money back. On this property, I think I learned to be on top of contact, stay ahead of timelines in order to get in and out as fast as possible. During the process, I learned that you have to stay on top of things to stay on budget. On this property, we had planned on making about $40,000 in profit. With those profits on that, I plan on putting them right back into the business and continue right on to flipping the next property. Some advice to people who are new into investing: choose the property carefully and pick your contractors really well, and still try to have as much hands-on with the project as possible.